Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add Google Forms to your Facebook page. This is a fantastic way to collect feedback, signups, or any information directly from your Facebook audience without them having to leave the platform. First, open your web browser and head over to forms.google.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. Make sure you're using the Google account that has access to the form you want to share. This step is essential because it ensures you're working with the right forms and have the proper permissions to share them. After logging in, you'll land on your Google Forms dashboard. From here, navigate to the Recent Forms section where you'll see all the forms you've created or have access to. Take a moment to locate the specific form you want to add to your Facebook page, then click on it to open it up. Now, in the upper right corner of the screen, you'll see a button labeled Copy Responder Link. Click on this button, and a small dialog box will appear. Here's an important step: check the box beside Shorten URL. This feature makes your link much cleaner and more professional looking, which is especially important when sharing it publicly on Facebook. Once you've checked that box, click Copy. Your shortened Google Form link is now saved to your clipboard and ready to be used. Since we don't have Facebook open right now, let me walk you through the next steps. Open a new tab in your browser and log into your Facebook account. Make sure you're using the account that has admin access to the Facebook page where you want to add this form. Once you're logged in, navigate to your Facebook page. You can do this by selecting it from the left sidebar or by searching for it using the search bar at the top. After you've opened your page, look for the three dots menu in the top right corner of the page. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From that menu, select Add Action button. If you already have an action button on your page, the option will say Edit Action button instead. Clicking this will allow you to modify or add a new button to your page. Next, you'll be presented with a list of button types. Choose one that best fits the purpose of your Google form. For example, if it's a sign-up form, select Sign Up. If it's a contact or inquiry form, choose Contact Us or Learn More. These buttons are designed to encourage specific actions from your visitors. After selecting the button type, you'll see a field labeled Website or URL. This is where you'll paste the Google Form link you copied earlier. Simply paste it into that field, making sure the entire link is there and formatted correctly. Finally, click Save to publish the button. Your Google Form link is now live on your Facebook page. To make sure everything works as expected, view your page as a visitor. You can do this by clicking the three dots menu again and selecting View As. This lets you see exactly what your audience will see when they visit your page, and you can test the button to ensure it redirects properly to your Google Form. And that's it. You've successfully added a Google Form to your Facebook page, making it easy for your audience to engage with you directly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.